And that is how, you develop diseases also, which come from past lives, or you have phobias and fears from past lives.
So why do trauma bonds feel so intense or addictive, even if it is painful?
It is very painful, no doubts about it. But this will take me to the journey of the mind. Okay. When we think of the mind, if you think of our brain, actually, even before getting into the mind, think of the brain. There are three parts of the brain, and the largest part is that which comes from primitive times, the reptilian brain. What happened with the primitive humans was that they were living in a situation where they could be attacked by animals anytime.
Yeah.
Right. So even when they were sleeping or, whatever. So they had to be in the fight or the flight mode all the time, survival mode. Right. So the fight or the flight mode, and because of which it so happened that, and this aspect of the brain is still there. More than 70% of the brain is, your reptilian brain, the survival mode. And that is why they're lesser leaders, because lesser people manage to, leave that brain beside and, think of growth. So what happens in trauma bonding is that aspect of your personality, survival mode, I'm going to die, kind of a thing. Oh, I can't live without this person, or we have had a death in the past. You don't remember exact memories. But because your body is a karmic body, we think of, where is karma, where is the soul now? Soul is everywhere. Okay. The soul is quite an expansive entity, but your body takes the karma. And that is how, you develop diseases also, which come from past lives, or you have phobias and fears from past lives. So when a trauma bond presents itself in front of you, you also get into the survival mode.